Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will demonstrate the creation of these beautiful patterns which are perfect for large crochet projects such as blanket, shawl, and cardigan. This pattern is so easy to create and I believe you can do it. To make this pattern, I'll be using polyester yarn with 2.50mm hook from Tulip. To begin, firstly, I will make a slip knot as usual. Then, especially for this pattern consists of the multiple of 2, so I will make 26 chains plus 1. The number of chains for this tutorial are 27. Okay, this one is the last chains. After making these last chains, I will make one single crochet in every stitch. I start from the second stitch from the hook. The numbers of single crochet I use for this pattern are 26. One single crochet in every stitch. This one is the last single crochet. After that, I will make chain 1 and turn the work. Then, I will make one single crochet in this very first stitch, followed by one single crochet in every stitch. Okay, the first part of this main pattern is made of twice reversible single crochet. This one is the last single crochet. One single crochet in this stitch. Then I will directly make the main pattern. Firstly, I will make 3 chains, then I will turn the work. Then I will skip these 2 first stitches. 1 double crochet in this third stitch. Then 1 back cross double crochet in the back loop. Do it like this. Grab the yarn and insert the hook into this loop. Then grab the working yarn and bring it up. Then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2 last loop. First pattern is complete. Then skip 1 stitch. Make 1 regular double crochet in the next 1 stitch. Repeat the pattern. Make 1 back cross double crochet in the back loop. Do it like this. Grab the working yarn and bring it up. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. The second pattern is complete. Then the third one, skip 1 stitch and make 1 regular double crochet in the next 1 stitch like this. Then make 1 back cross double crochet in the back loop like this. Grab the working yarn and bring it up. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat this pattern until the end of this row. This one is the last pattern. Skip 1 stitch. Make 1 regular double crochet in this 1 stitch. Then repeat again. Make 1 back cross double crochet in the back loop like this. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You will have 1 last stitch left. This stitch is for a regular double crochet. Just make 1 double crochet here. Okay, complete. This is the half of the main pattern. I will make another half of the main pattern after making the 3 chains. Firstly, I will make 3 chains like this. Then turn the work just like before. Skip 2 first stitches. Then make 1 regular double crochet in the third stitch. Here's the difference. When you are here, you need to make 1 front cross double crochet through these 2 front loops. Grab the working yarn and bring it up. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, first pattern is complete. Skip 1 stitch, then go to the next 1 stitch and make 1 regular double crochet. After that, make 1 front cross double crochet through these 2 front loops. Okay, grab the working yarn and bring it up. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Second pattern is complete. Then The third one, skip one stitch, make one regular double crochet in the next one stitch, then make one front cross double crochet through these two front loop. Okay, grab the working yarn and bring it up, then yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Complete. Repeat this pattern until the end of this row. Okay, I come to the end of this row. This is the last pattern. Skip one stitch, make one regular double crochet in this next one stitch, then make one front cross double crochet through these two front loops. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Then you will have one last stitch, make one single crochet here in the second of the third chain, in the second of the three chains. Well, this is the first set of the main pattern. It looks like this, so gorgeous, so beautiful. Now I'll move to the second set. Start with one chain, then turn the work. Make one single crochet in every stitch, just like before. This row consists of 26 single crochet. One single crochet in every stitch, or every stitch is filled with only one single crochet. One last single crochet. This last single crochet is made in the second of the three chains. Then make one chain and turn the work. Make one more line of single crochet. One single crochet in every stitch. The numbers of single crochet in this row are also 26. Okay, some stitches left. Alright, two last stitches left. This one is the last single crochet. Then I will make the second set of the main pattern after making this two line of reversible single crochets. So gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, now let's start the main pattern. 3 chains or 3 turning up. Okay, do like what I did. Skip these two first stitches, make one regular double crochet in the third stitch, then make one back cross double crochet through this back loop. Okay, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Skip this stitch, go to the next one regular double crochet. Okay, then one back cross double crochet through this back loop. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Skip this stitch and go to the next one. Repeat again, one regular double crochet, then one back cross double crochet through this back loop. Alright, repeat this pattern until the end of this row. This is the last pattern for this row. One regular double crochet, then one back cross double crochet through this back loop. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Then the last one, make one regular double crochet in the second of the 3 chains. Okay, perfect. After that, I will make another half of the main pattern. Start with 3 chains, then turn the work. Skip these 2 stitches. One regular double crochet on this third stitch, then one front cross double crochet through these 2 loops. These 2 loops, have a look. Then grab the working yarn, bring it up, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then skip this stitch and go to the next one regular double crochet, then one front cross double crochet through these 2 front loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, skip one stitch, make one regular double crochet in the next one stitch, then one front cross double crochet through these 2 front loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat this pattern until the end of this row. Well, after you make all the pattern throughout this row, make 1 chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet in every stitch. This is the best for the third set of the pattern. Right, 1 single crochet in every stitch. I'm very sorry because it was raining outside, so it's a bit noisy. And this one is the last single crochet. Then repeat again, 1 chain and make 1 single crochet in every stitch. The numbers of single crochet in this line are 26. Alright, one last stitch. This one is the last single crochet for this pattern. It's finally complete. Have a look. This pattern is so gorgeous. That's why I say it's suitable for a blanket, cardigans, or shawl. You can use it for making whatever you want because this stitch is very, very beautiful. Well everyone, I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm very sorry because it was raining heavily outside and it made me lose concentration during making this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good time and happy crochet.